Hello folks, welcome back to another training session. Let's see how far we can get today. I'm going to start out with the 2-1-6-2 offside grip forward rotation. Okay, 9-6-3, 9's point. Same set. Remember, there's a lot of 8 and 9 in this set in my hand, so 6-3-3. The more you practice, the more you roll that particular set, the more you start to develop a pattern recognition for it. And that helps you when you're at a table to how to place your bet. Because you could be the world's greatest shooter. If you don't make a bet, you can't make any money. Okay. 9-6-3. Point made. Yeah, I guess for that particular set, that particular throwing technique, if you land in the come zone before the don't pass line, it'll bounce in and come back. It gives you a better result. So I'm going to try to do that from now on with this particular set and throw. Because if I land it too close to the back wall, it gives me too much power back on a rebound. Nine. Okay, 9's a point again, 4-5. It's pretty good. So it's consistent. That's all we want to do. We want to develop a cluster and a consistency so we can start pressing that cluster. Six. Good. It's good if you, like I said, if you bet and concentrate or you bet on that cluster, you do more damage. It's like concentrating all your firepower at one point, you know. Eventually it's going to give. But if you pray and spray all over the place, it's not going to do much damage. Same set. We're at 5 already. 6. Again, good cluster. 4-2. That's what I want. I want those clusters to develop. I usually press it 3 times and then start collecting. So right now I'm at the 3rd time already. So after this, I start collecting on those numbers. 10. Might get a 1 in that because this last dice didn't travel all the way to the back wall, but at least that one did. So it's not like you did it on purpose. It depends on how they feel about you that day. If you're taking too much money away from them, they'll give you a warning. And then try to justify taking the dice away from you. But, play your game. Don't let them get in your head. Okay, 9. 9, that's a collect right there. Point made. Buttons off again. Got 4 times on that 9. 4, 5, 9. Buttons are off, so if the 7 pops out, we'll still keep going because we still have control of the dice. We just have to reset the count number. 1, 1, 2. Snake eye. I guess when if I aim more for the landing zone on the back wall, I get a lot of whirls and horn number. And if I aim more before the don't pass line, I get everything else but those horn numbers so far. That's what they look like so far. It could be wrong, but that's what I'm going with. Okay, that's my final answer. Ten. 6, 4, 10. Yeah, seems like that now. A little bit out of gas, I got a warning for that one too, but I hit these chips, so it interfered, it bounced and stopped the roll. So we could use that to justify. We're not hitting a lot of numbers, but we're clustering, so that's good. 4, 1, 3. That's pretty good. That dice just stopped and spun like that. That's the kind of landings that we want when you're doing the whip toss. Okay. Same set, same technique. Oh, 6. It's good. Another cluster development there. Even though the dice touches that on the way out, but it still worked out okay. Just try not to let that happen. It just introduces another variable against you. That's all it does. Same set. Six. 6, 2. 4, 2, 6. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good cluster. Just rolling craps and dice is just like fishing, you know? You don't really know what you expect. You're just hoping to get something that's better before your line rip. Before you crap out, you know? So. Nine, 6, 3. That's another kickback, touching there, but good result. We're rolling pretty good today. So we're in a 16, 15 roll now. 12, great. 6, 6. We get all the hard numbers out of the way. All right, let's not push it. We already rolled 16 row already. So let's go with the 6, 3, 3, 6. Try to knock out those field numbers. Freaking thing, I should never change. 7, 5, 2. Made 2.7 out. And we rolled 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 row. Crapped out on the 17. Crapped out on the 16. So it's 15. So it's 4, 8, 10, 12, 3, 15. Okay. I'll see you at the next segment.